See, in 100 seconds, arrays of pointers. An array of char star pointers is the standard way to store a list of strings in C. Each element points to a string literal somewhere in memory. The size of trick still works. Total size of the array divided by one pointer gives you the count. Loop through and print each string. Colors: bracket 0 is red, bracket 1 is green, bracket 2 is blue. You can also make an array of int pointers. Each element holds the address of a different variable. Dereference with star nums bracket I. The star follows the pointer. The bracket picks which one. Three colors by name, three ints through pointers. Arrays of pointers. The foundation of argv and string tables. Next up, double pointers.